Welcome students, this is your IT class and today we are going to discuss the practical number 3. Now we are going to discuss the question that is write the importance of stress management. So you have a very good idea about the stress. Right now we are going to discuss what are the importance of stress management. So over here I have also written about something about stress. Stress is always harmful because repetitive exposure of the stress responses on our body and is proven to lead a long lasting psychological and physical health issues. Means obviously as you all know that stress has a great impact on our physical and our mental health. It is important for every individual to know their emotional intelligence. Long-term stress can specifically produce negative impact on your health and it recognized to deteriorate your health and attitude. Suppose you have long-term stress. So in long run, your health will get deteriorated and it will impact on your health as well as in your attitude. So what is the importance of stress management? Number one, effective stress management helps your overall health status. It helps to improve your overall health status. Number two, you are able to assume more positive attitude and outlook in life. Right now, if you can manage the stress in your life, then your attitude towards life and outlook towards life will get improved. Number three, it increases the productivity as you are able to focus clearly on your task. Your productivity means your capability to work. It will increase. In simple terms, obviously it's in simple terms. Number four, you can have better control over their emotional and you can have better control on your emotions as you are managing your stress properly. And the next point is, more importantly, it helps you to eliminate stress from your life. This is the most important thing, that anyhow you are eliminating the stress from your life to get a positive attitude or outlook towards the life. So all you have to do is to write this thing in your copy. So whenever we ask to produce, you can produce without any delay. Thank you for watching. See you in the next practical class.